Arjun father, Emperor Indra of the Emperor King of Heaven. He served 500 years of his life to serve for the world and the galaxy and everything. So he get tired. He told his wife and everybody, you know what? I want to retire. 500 years I work very hard. Come on, right? Then he said, what are you going to do until you die? Same thing. I will go learn yoga and go to holy Kailash, Himalaya, and I meditate. Peaceful life I want to live. Now, he want to learn yoga from Vyasdev, the most powerful yogi of history, which is Lord Krishna. His another body is Vyasdev. You will see him. So, he said, Gurudev, I don't know ABCD of yoga. I don't know nothing yoga. I want to learn everything from you. I have two questions. He said, what? I give up the kingdom. I'm very poor right now. No money to eat. I'm going to live in the caves in Himalaya. After learn yoga from you, two things you have to tell me. How long is take time to learn yoga? Up to Mahasamadhi. You understand Ashtanga yoga? Yes or no? Yomo, Niyomo, Asano, Pranayamo, Pratyahara, Dhyana, Dharana, Mahasamadhi. Did I explain that 8 characteristics yoga? Anyway, so I learned all Ashtanga yoga and 8 kind of yoga: Karma yoga, Hatha yoga, Raja yoga, Vedanta yoga, Bhakti yoga, Mantra yoga, Yonono yoga, Laya yoga. Then I want to learn 4 steps of life yoga: Brahmacharya, Garahastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyasa. You will learn these 16 stages and 4 stages, 20 stages, next 2 months. Crystal clean. I want to learn from you how long it is take time and how much you will charge me. Right? So he said, very simple. I charge you American dollar, $10 per lesson per day. How long it will take time? About 5 years. So you have to live 550 years, right? Like Maharishi Valmiki. Then you can go to Kailash, Himalaya, join Lord Shiva and do meditation as long as you want. And there is another yogi, Durvasa Muni. He is the most powerful yogi, but he doesn't do good job. He always angry yogi. He curses everybody all the time because he get blessing from Lord Shiva, he get Lord from Krishna, he gets blessing from Lord Brahma. 3 yogis power he has alone. Durvasa Muni. One day he's sitting in a jungle meditating. The crane, you know crane, the bird flying, and they shit and put in his head. And he go like this, what? Then look, he get angry. The way he look, the power came from third eyes, and the crane, the bird, psh, become dust, burn. He's very dangerous. So he was number 2. So always he jealous of Vyasdev, Krishna. So he went the same day, asked Vyasdev, you are number 1 yogi in the galaxy. He said, yeah. I want to number 1 after you. So teach me exactly what you know more than me, I don't know. Then I have your power, I'll be number 1. My guru told this story 1,000 times all my life around the world. I want to know 2 things. I learn very little the portion I don't know. I know everything because I'm number 2. I want to be number 1. How long is take time? And how much will the cost? He said, very simple. He said, what? You have to pay 100 American dollar per day per lesson. And for it will take at least another 100 years. So he got very angry. He said, I heard you just told Lord Indra, emperor, to touch from ABCD up to PhD and charge only $10 a day. And it will take only 5 years. I'm number 2 yogi, I know everything. You teach me so little and $100 per day and 100 years? That's not right. He said, very simple. Don't get upset. That's the truth. Your first lesson is learn how to accept the truth. You have no quality to accept the truth. You born for truth, live for truth, die for truth. That's me. You want answer? Yes. Indra doesn't know anything of yoga. From first day, he will learn 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 100 days plus 100. 5 years later, he will 5,000, 10,000% he learns so easy. Piece of cake. But you cannot learn like you. He said, what? You live with your false ego, you know everything. First, you have to forget everything you learn in your life. If you can forget everything, then you will be able to learn A apple, B a bat, C a cat, and D a dog. That will be a toughest job in the world. That's why I want to take a chance. It will be very hard work. $100 per lesson, and it takes 100 years. No guarantee that you really make it or not. Do you understand that?